Hey, what's up, everyone? Ooh, man, this wind is insane today. We're just trying to see what's going on around here. It's been a pretty chaotic week in Victorville. I'm trying to hit cycle gear real quick. Oh, I feel like my ass is hanging out. I mean, you hate that when you're riding, you feel the wind on your ass crack. I mean, it feels good, but then you're not able to see it. Oh. Whoa, no way. We got another sumo. Let's go. Hell yeah. Man, that is nice as hell. KLX300.
How you doing, boss?
How you doing? Didn't really find what I was looking for. Salesman is a little pushy. I think they probably give him a commission or some shit, which is why they're like that, which I get it. Why you look at me so hard? I'm just sitting here. I tap my helmet at them. Hey, Harley. Hey, what's up, boys? What's up? Hell yeah. Someone's worth few right there. Child support. It's pretty dead around here right now. It's weird. You drive by all these administrative buildings. I really want to should be getting out of here. I don't want to be by the courthouse on an unlicensed bike. Yep, that's it. KLX300, baby. I love this bike. I gotta say, I really do love this bike. Could it be a little faster? Yeah. Yeah, oh.
What are you
Jesus
doing,
Christ.
step bro?
Now watch out for these people in this street, especially. They're just so hungry. They're getting their favorite foods and shit, so they're a little food brain, you know? Then when you're hungry, you get a little crazy. You see the tweaker activity out here. I have to go over here and see. Oh, there's a carnival. What the heck? Look at the little rain boy. Oh no! That's crazy. Big carnival. Oh, they're open. You can go get tickets right now. Oh, wow, it's actually ongoing. You can just go in there. This fool's tripping. Oh, it's tripping. That's crazy. It's just crazy around here in general, man. It's just, I don't even like driving on 7th Street at all. Like, look at these guys. What the fuck are they doing? What the hell are they doing, man? That's crazy. Hey, this is Route 66. Route 66. Instead of being on the sidewalk, I'm actually driving on it. People, you see that? Route 56. People drive like shit around here. I gotta just say, people drive really terribly. And I'll be on your ass. Like, you want to just enjoy the sights of Route 66. And it's just, you can't. You can't. Getting into deeper areas. It's hot out. It was again like 100 degrees out. Last time it was like 108, and now it's just like a nice chilly 100. That's crazy. I'm sure there used to be some like buildings here. Oh, there's someone with a camp there. I don't even notice both these camps. Ugh. Oh, there's people in there. Oh yeah. Not the best terrain. It's very slippy here. Those people not look like he was happy to see me. Which I see why, because they're living there and I'm just but hey, it's in public, so I'm just looking around, just trying to make do with the place I live in. What's down here? Let's see. Man, when I say it's hot, it's hot. It's hot. Isn't this crazy how dead it is out here? Nothing and nobody. Bingo. Why is it so dead out here? It's Saturday, by the way. I mean, I guess everyone went to better places. I'm lost. I'm just going off vibe. But only a little bit. Route 66! Yeah! Now I am ripping down Route 66, fool. If you did, oh, that one feels nice. You're ripping down Route 66, fool. Ripping down Route 66, fool. Get your rips on Route 66. Hell yeah, hell yeah. That was lame. Yeah, that was lame. I felt cool for a second. I was like, what am I saying? What am I saying to myself?
Hey everybody, I'm Guy Fieri and we're rolling out. Look at
this little area. Isn't this weird?